Today we're going to talk about the 4 Ayurvedic combinations that helps you in recovering from severe migraine, vertigo, regular headaches, stress, anxiety, hallucination, as well as managing conditions like epilepsy as well. These are 4 result-oriented combinations that help you from day one. They have been used in over 10,000 plus patients in over 40 plus countries today for those patients following a different kind of a diet, different lifestyle, and in each one of those patients, beautiful results are seen. There are various researches done on this medicine, and it's a classical Ayurvedic formulation explained 5,000 years, available in various brands. One can choose any brand, has no side effects, helps the patient from the first week itself. And the best part about Ayurvedic treatment is that it brings about a sense of well-being, a sense of well-being that's very important in the overall recovery process. Whether it's rheumatoid arthritis, psoriasis, eczema, gynecological condition, a sense of positivity, sense of well-being is very important for the overall recovery. So let's talk about these 4 effective Ayurvedic combinations. Let me give you a detailed idea, its dosage, so one can make the most of these 4 combinations. Watch this video till the end. Subscribe to Jovis for more such videos. Write down your views, your doubts, your confusions in the comment section so that we are able to answer them. Firstly, namaste everyone. Welcome back to Jovis. If we talk about the 8 branches of Ayurveda, it is said that Kaya, Bala, Graha, Urdhvanga, Shalya, Damstra, Jara, Vrusha. These are the 8 branches of Ayurveda, and out of these 8 branches, there is one which is Graha Chikitsa. Graha Chikitsa, we can also call this as the Ayurvedic psychiatry for various conditions. Now, let's talk about vertigo. It is said as Brahm, and it is described as Rajam Pittam Anilat Brahmam, a aggravation or involvement of Rajagun of the mind. Out of the 3 qualities of the mind, the Sattva, Raja, Tama, the Rajagun involvement, the Pitta involvement, fire element, the Vata involvement, excess of air element, these 3 factors contribute to this disease, vertigo. Vertigo, again, an incurable condition. From Ayurvedic perspective, easily curable from the root cause, has beautiful results, immediate results. Patients are suffering from years and years from this problem. Simple Ayurvedic tips or even this simple video is going to help you come out from the vertigo, come out from problems like Ardhava Vedak, which is migraine, or for most conditions like rheumatoid arthritis or psoriasis, where mental instability is involved. The mind has to be stable. The mind has the power to destroy any disease. It has the power to destroy any disease. Even for diseases like cancer, we are using these 4 combinations or these medications that have a huge role in balancing the mind, in bringing about that sense of well-being that creates a hope, that brings about the recovery process in any disease. What happens is, in most conditions, while the patient is taking other treatments, patient may or may not be recovering, but the patient says, I am not feeling well, sir. Maybe my values are good, maybe my problem is solved, but I am not feeling good. I am having pain. What about that? So that's where Ayurveda steps in to bring about or improve the quality of life as well as the result in their existing problem. So these are the perspectives that Ayurveda has. Today we're going to discuss about a small part of the entire Ayurvedic psychiatry, but even this small part, less than 1% of the part, is going to bring about a drastic change in your overall condition. Even for the healthy individuals, it's thumbs up. Let's talk about the number 1 medicine. It is Panchagavya Grut. Panchagavya Grut, if one is not comfortable with the ingredients, I am going to give you the alternative along with its dosage. So Panchagavya Grut, its reference is found in Charak Samhita, Chikitsastan, 10th chapter. In Ashtang Hridaya as well, the references are seen in 12th chapter, Chikitsastan, 19th verse to 23rd verse, beautifully explained about the benefits of Panchagavya Grut. Pancha is 5, Gavya are the different components of cow products, and Gruta, which is the medicated ghee or the ghee form medicine. So Panchagavya Grut, it is one of the best medicine for neuropsychological condition, widely used in the treatment of cancer as well, has drastic impact seen on the mind, and for stress, anxiety, or for vertigo, it has beautiful results. For migraine, it has beautiful results. talking about Panchagavya, let's talk about ingredients. We can talk about hours and hours about these medicines, but let's talk about ingredients for now. Panchagavya, 5 ingredients. Gomayaswaras, which is extract prepared from the cow dung. Cow's, milk, ghee, curd, gomutra, which is cow's urine. These are the 5 ingredients. They are prepared, heated until the herbal ghee is prepared. The medicated ghrita, its dosage is half to 1 teaspoon to be taken early in the morning or first thing in the morning. The thick ghee should be melted in yellow liquid form. Once it turns into liquid form, we have to take it. We have to heat it indirectly, like you can take 1 to 2 teaspoon in a bowl and put that bowl in hot water. Immediately within a minute or less than a minute, the thick ghee turns into liquid yellow form. As soon as it turns, consume it. One can take a glass of warm water after taking this ghee. One can also take fennel seeds, which is sauf, honey, jaggery, mishri, or any of such remedies to change the taste of your mouth, because this ghee is bitter in taste. It is not having a good taste, but it is definitely worth taking. The alternative to this method would be this same Panchagavya Ghrut to be mixed 1 to 2 teaspoon in little bit of warm milk or little bit of tea. Patients find it convenient. They don't get the taste of this ghee. The way of consumption becomes easier and you get the equal amount of benefits as well. That's about Panchagavya Ghrut. Always best if it's taken directly or taken with warm milk. It is Bruhan, helps in overall development, overall nourishment of the mind. That's about Panchagavya Ghrut. The alternatives would be Saraswat Ghrut, Mahakalyana Ghrut, Kalyana Ghrut, or Brahmi Ghrut, although they may not be that effective like Panchagavya, but overall all Ayurvedic medications, these formulations, they are effective. This was first. Let's talk about the second one, which is the choice of medicine for most condition, whether it's arthritis, eczema, cancer, skin disease. This is a beautiful medicine and one of my favorite. This is Jatamasi. We can talk for hours and hours on this one medicine. Great for hair fall, great for many conditions. Endless benefits it is having. It is called as spikenard in English. It is Tikta Kashai Rasatmak, bitter astringent in taste. It is Pitta Shamak. It cools the pitta, reduces fire element. It is cool in its potency. All herbs that are Tikta Kashai, bitter astringent, they are Pitta Shamak. They are reducing the pitta in the body, fire in the body. It has beautiful results for skin diseases. For such patients, their itching is increasing because of the stress, like psoriasis, eczema. These are autoimmune diseases. Jatamasi has beautiful results. For vertigo, migraine, from the first week itself, good amount of changes are seen when patients consume Jatamasi. Jatamasi has nootropic activity, that which enhances the cognitive functions of the brain. There are various researches done on Jatamasi. It's a beautiful medicine. And let's talk about the dosage. Half to 1 teaspoon of Jatamasi churna 2 times a day with half cup of warm water. The way that has best results for all the benefits that I spoke about, for high blood pressure, for heart diseases, it is to consume this medicine in fant form. How do you make a kada? You take 2 to 4 cups water, add half to 1 teaspoon of the medicine, boil it, make it half, strain the liquid and consume the liquid. Similarly, how do you make a fant? You make a fant by taking 2 to 4 cups of water, boiling it on low flame, wait till it becomes half, then switch off the gas. Switch off the gas after you boiled it for 5 to 10 minutes or 10 to 15 minutes. Switch off the gas. Immediately add half to 1 teaspoon of the Jatamasi churna and immediately close the lid. Wait for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, strain this liquid and consume this liquid 2 times a day, 1 cup. You can also take it 2 to 3 times a day, 1 cup of 20 to 30 ml. And this medicine, do not heat it once it's prepared. Prepare it in the morning. You can consume it for 24 hours. After 24 hours, you do not have to use it. So make sure you finish it before 24 hours. Do not waste this medicine. That's about Jatamasi. Let's talk about the third medicine, which is Jyotish Mati. We have an entire video on Jyotish Mati talking about its benefits and way of consumption. It is also called as Malakangani. It is having a special effect, prabhav, on the mind. It is said as Bhutagna. It is said as Manas Doshahar. It is used for a wide range of neuropsychological conditions. Research has been done about its nootropic activity. There's a research article and it is proven to be effective effective. It enhances the cognitive functions of the brain. That's about Jyotishmati. The seeds are useful. The oil obtained from the seeds, they are used for medicinal purpose. Jyotishmati, although is used in various forms for psychological condition, Jyotishmati tel 2 to 4 drops, 2 to 6 drops. Average ideal safe dose is 2 to 3 drops with half cup or little bit of milk or water 2 times a day is very helpful, either after meals, before meals, or empty stomach, or even during meals. They have great results. That's about the third one. Let's talk about the last tip, which is not a medicine but it's a treatment, which is Nasya. It is said that Nasahi Shirsodwaram, medicines taken through the nasal route directly go up to the brain and they start their action. They have an immediate action. Nasya, it is having beautiful results. The entire procedure, how you can do it at home and get the best results for 100 plus health benefits, is something that we have spoken in our video. I'll put the link to that video in the description box below. You can go through that video. You don't have to watch the video, you have to follow that video as the video ends. So follow Nasya, it is having best results and it can be done on a regular basis as well. For problems like migraine, vertigo, headache, stress, anxiety, depression, these formulations like Panchagavya Gruth, or there is this powerful strong medicine which is Vacha Gruth, the ghee prepared from Vekanda. Vekanda is a Ayurvedic medicine, one of the best medicines for the mind. Vacha Gruth, but it's a strong medicine, so don't put more than 2 drops or more than 3 drops of this ghee into the nostril. So we have seen patients find difficulty in putting medicated ghee or doing a Gruta Nasya. They can go with the oil Nasya. In such conditions, such problems, Kumkumadi Tel Nasya is very useful. Kumkumadi Tel, we know that it's good for the skin, for acne, pimples, pigmentation, fairness, skin lightening, skin tightening, but it is having beautiful results when we do a Nasya of it on a regular basis. It's also helpful for the skin if you do the Nasya. So do it from today. Kumkumadi Tel, 2 to 4 drops twice a day. One can also use some easily available medicines like Panchendriya Vardhan Tel or Anu Tel. These are having best results as well. So all of this, they are available in various brands. One can choose any brand. They are present or available across the globe. Make the most of this. These are 4 effective result-oriented tips, result-oriented combinations that helps you in recovering faster from your particular problem. So don't just watch this video, follow this and consult a nearest Ayurvedic doctor for best results. Of course, any doubts, any questions, let us know in the comment section below. Do like and share this video further. Subscribe to Jovies for more such videos. And until next time, from Jovies and the team, look impressive, be progressive.